guys, it's Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your TikTok video as well as change the duration for them too. So stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, so let's open up our TikTok app. First of all, you need to hit that plus button and you can go ahead and record straight to your app, or if you've already got one that you already pre-recorded and saved on your camera roll, you can upload it from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So hit the upload button and I'm going to select this video that I posted yesterday, and let me just show you here. I'm going to hit next, and then at the bottom it says text, so I'm going to tap onto that, and I'm just going to go want to learn how to, can't spell, learn how to fly, and then I'll pick a color and I'll hit done. And if I don't want to have this text throughout the entire video, I can change the duration for it. So I'm just going to tap and hold, set duration, and here I can set it for like 2 seconds in the beginning, or depending on your video, you can also change it so that the text can be in the middle of the video or just the end. And you can play it over as well. And at the end, let me show you the end. You just have to drag the end and then adjust it accordingly. And then once you're happy with it, I'm just going to keep it in the beginning. Hit the tick sign, hit next, and then write a description, write a description, add your hashtag, and then post. I guess one tip that I want to give you is that make sure you keep your text within this area, because if you have it all the way at the bottom, your text might be covered by your description and your hashtags, and it's like quite pointless, right? People can't read what you're trying to say. And that's how you add text and change the duration for them. So if you have any other questions for me, please leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.